Hey Sam, it's great to finally meet you in person after so many times online.
Great to finally meet you in person after so many meetings we went together in the past year or so.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. All I can think about is you surrounded by robots, and then we come to automate, and it turns out it's actually true, right?
Yeah.
So it's really nice to have Sam here with us today because we have just launched our newest SDK, SDK 212, which has added Jetson support for the Zivid cameras, which also happens to be something that RoboDK has support on as well. So all of the ease of use features that we have added for the Zivid cameras on our other platforms for Linux and Microsoft are also available on Jetson, making hand dye a breeze, touch tests, and all our other samples that we provide online. So if you want to get started with a new platform, both of us will be available to help you out. And if you want to see the Zivid cameras in person, please drop by and visit us at booth 4270 at the Automate Show.
Yeah.